अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर्स, आइए सीखते हैं नॉर्मल इंग्लिश से एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश। I visit my hometown very rarely. I visit my hometown once in a blue moon. I am going to get married tomorrow. I am going to tie a knot tomorrow. How are you? How's it going? It's not so difficult. It's not rocket science. I am very tired. I am worn out. Can I come tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? I am fit and healthy. I am fit as a fiddle. I am a bit busy. I am a bit tied up. Are you mad? Are you out of mind? It's time to study. It's time to hit the books. I like you a lot. I am so into you. Text me when you get free. Hit me up when you get free. ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो हमारी YouTube चैनल स्टडी विद मोहम्मद हाशिम को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक बआसानी पहुंच सके। शुक्रिया दोस्तों।